Welcome back to my channel, Bull of the Woods Logging. Yeah, I'm cutting a bunch of trees down here, and I found something pretty interesting. Let me show it to you here. Right there. That is the Hickory Tussock Moth Caterpillar. It's poisonous. Yeah, if that gets on you, it'll sting you. It's got hairs and stuff and barbs on the back of it that have poison and venom in them. I don't know which way is its head. They both look the same. Yeah, but you want to try to avoid those. If you can. There's its belly. Oh, there's its head. Yeah, look at that thing. That'll get